Fresh fine boy, fresh fine boy. Now I got the lady saying she a fresh fine boy. Never call her when you living in the zone. Till my love, I know the time, so I never live it on. And you better know we never had a chat event. It doesn't feel like you better be selling for yourself in the arena with that.
Oh, so fabulous.
Hi guys, it's your girl Dumebi, the oh so fabulous one. Yeah, I know this is my first time saying this, but I just realized that in my montage I say oh so fabulous, and I'm sure some of you actually sing along. Like even my little niece, whenever she's watching my YouTube, she's like, when it gets to that, it's like oh so fabulous. That is supposed to be my catchphrase. So people should permit me. I'm going to be trying out this different way to say oh so fabulous in my video, in my intro. Okay, so now let's do this again. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Dumebi, the oh so fabulous one. Does that make sense? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stumbling on my channel, this is just me. I'm like this sometimes, like why I've got to my edge. Anyway, I hope you guys decide to join my big happy family by clicking on the subscribe. She was the evil girl in me just came out. By clicking on the subscribe link below this video and then hit the notification bell right beside it. That way YouTube tells you whenever I drop new videos. I drop new videos twice every week. Like if you are already a subscriber, I love you guys. You guys are awesome. So this is what this look is about. It's a smoky eye with like confetti effect, confetti achieved with a lot of glitters, and I'm trying out some products that were sent to me by Paula Beauty. They sent me these beautiful pencils and I tried them out. I've used one of their pencils before, which I bought by myself, but this one is actually PR, so I'm going to be trying it out today. So you guys keep watching. So I don't know if they make just pencils, but over here they sent me some pencils. This is the parcel as it came. Of course it was like sealed. I've already opened it up. I have 4 pencils here. So over here I have the blue and the green waterproof smooth eyeliner pencils. Then over here I have their this is the Paula Beauty eyebrow gel. It says it's waterproof. Okay, I'm going to be using this for the first time, and this is in the shade dark brown. I'll be using it in this video. And then this is their waterproof smooth eyeliner pencil. This is a black eyeliner pencil, I believe. So let's just get right into it. Jesus, so limited. Of all the reclinable pencils I've ever used, I don't think I've ever seen anyone that is as pigmented as this one. Very creamy. Hey, so I've been sleeping on these people. Yes. I love it. Black.
Fresh fine boy, fresh fine boy.
B-Tech in the building.
Fine boy, fresh fine boy.
Let's go. Fresh fine boy, fresh fine boy. Now I got the lady saying she a fresh fine boy. Cause I'm speeding up the meter, I'm burning up the heater. I'm getting double service like I'm Venus and Serena. What's selling? I ain't buying. I'm the truth, I know you're lying. Are you stupid or are you trying hard to best me rocket science? I'm the giant. Put your English finger up, I see you crying. Use a loser in denial, so step back, I'm about to blow. I'm making all the money and I'm getting every honey. Everybody see me coming, they be running, never stopping, never done. See me going to the top of the manor. When I step into the party, I make the people need money. Never call her when you're living in the zone. Till my love, I know the time, so I never live it on. And you better know we never had a chat event. It doesn't feel like you better be stellar for yourself in the arena with a
fresh fine boy, fresh fine boy, fresh fine boy, fresh fine boy, fresh.
Let's go. Hey, we got it locked down, we got it locked
wiping this in front of me. Hey, Paula Beauty. You guys, you put me in business.
Bad boys. If sexy be a problem, then I guess I am a mental case. Screaming in the closet, I whip a teddy bear out the mental case. Say your nep and pray, you grab a bat and hit the tar out. Shove it in the box, it on the Porsche with a guitar out. Play that tune, we gon' make them wanna mental enter. V-Tech with a scepter. I'm a victor in the sector. I always contest my every rest stop. This was just to impress RB. Rockstar party with the best RV. Nigerian girls with the best I see. So I kiss them, then I freak them mommy. On my blow. When I drop, I levitate. With the flows I disseminate. Watching my money elevate. All the Kwanu original. My Efizi subliminal. Your baby's baby be me. Cause her baby be on TV now. Stop. Don't know what the F that is. The only brother who ever really fresh like me. So the only brother with it ever blessed like me. Now the fresh fine boy, well I guess that's me. Top of the chain, I never go soft. And so I've been throwing them off. They steady running. Ain't nobody chasing. I Jones like say no I'm held up by the love of my farm. So if you ever wanna piss in my farm, I kill it. Me under the sound of the alarms. I be now we the whole ground for town. I be your toxic, so we never ever get that crown. Who the hell is a king to a god with the wind? If you see me, the original.
Fresh fine boy, fresh fine boy, fresh fine boy.
It's in the building. We got it locked down, no. We got it locked down, no. Now so we go. Now so we go. Now so we go. Now so we did. The fresh fine boy. He's in the building. I laji too good. Go. We got it locked down, no. We got it locked down, no.
So guys, I have two shades of powders right here. This one is, they are both from Beyond Beauty. This is the shade 05 and this is the shade 06. So I'll be using this for my face and I'll be using this as my contour shade.
Fine boy, now I got the lady saying she a fresh fine boy. Cause I'm speeding up the meter, I'm burning up the heater. I'm getting double service like I'm Venus and Serena. What's selling, I ain't buying, I'm the truth, I know you're lying. Are you stupid or are you trying hard to best me rocket science? I'm the giant, put your English finger up, I see you crying. Use a loser in denial, so step back, I'm about to blow. I'm making all the money and I'm getting every honey. Everybody see me coming, they be running, never stopping, never dulling. See me gunning to the top of the matter. When I step into the party, I make the people give me mana. Never call a hurry when you're living in the zone. See my love, I know the tire, so I never live it home. And you better know we never had a chat of it as a fella. You better be stellar for your sipping in the arena with a
fresh fine boy, fresh fine boy, fresh fine boy, fresh fine boy, fresh
We got it locked down, no. We got it locked down, no. Now so we go. Now so we go. Now so we go. Now so we did. Bad boys. If sexy be a problem, then I guess I am a mental case. Screaming in the closet, I whip a teddy bear out the mental case. Say your nep and pray, you grab a bat and hit the tar out. Shove it in the box, it on the Porsche with a guitar out. Play that tune, we gon' make them wanna mental enter. V-Tech with a scepter. I'm a victor in the sector. I always contest my every rest stop. This was just to impress RB. Rockstar party with the best RV. Nigerian girls with the best I see. So I kiss them, then I freak them mommy. On my blow. When I drop, I levitate. With the flows I disseminate. Watching my money elevate. All the Kwanu original. My Efizi subliminal. Your baby's baby be me. Cause her baby be on TV now. Stop. Don't know what the F that is. The only brother who ever really fresh like me. So the only brother with it ever blessed like me. Now the fresh fine boy, well I guess that's me. Top of the chain, I never go soft. And so I've been throwing them off. They steady running. Ain't nobody chasing. I Jones like say no I'm held up by the love of my farm. So if you ever wanna piss in my farm, I kill it. Me under the sound of the alarms. I be now we the whole ground for town. I be your toxic.
Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, give it a thumbs up and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Find a way to fit it in. So let me do this intro again. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, oh so fabulous, Dumebi Leah. Does that make sense? Ooh. What fun is that thing? That's the song I'm using. See your clothes now. I'm getting your gangster vibes for this clothes. Give me.